Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain you your English project, fish of opposite words. Okay. To make this project, you need this Fevicol. Okay, one Fevicol and colors, wax color. These are your wax color and this scissor and old wedding cards. Okay, it is a wedding card and it is plain in this side, but you need that type of wedding card which will be the plain in both sides. Here I can show you one. It is also a piece of wedding card. Okay, this is plain both sides, and this is the lid of a powder box. Okay, I will cut the circles with the help of this lid and one pencil to mark the circle, and this is your scissor. And student, this is the outcut of a fish which I make it. If you are having this type of chartboard, well and good. If you are not having chartboard, you can use the backside of a calendar. Okay, plain backside of a calendar you can use. So I prepared this outcut of fish in the afternoon, and now I am going to make fish for you. Okay, first you have to draw the fish in the chart, this chart paper. Okay, या फिर you can use backside of calendar. So this is the outcut of a fish which I make. With the help of this, I will draw this fish in this chart paper. I am doing the outline of this fish. Okay, after this I will cut it in the shape of a fish. Yes, I want to tell you why I cut this fish, because my paper is not very hard. So I cut this. I will paste this fish which I draw in this here. I will paste it on this fish. Okay, तो फिर it will be ये थोड़ा सा thick हो जाएगा. That's why I did this. Now scissors. Here is the scissor. With the help of the scissor, now I will cut the paper. Now I cut the fish. Okay, this is my cutting of fish. After this, I will tell you to make the skulls of fish. We will take this wedding card. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to circle here. We have to make the circle on this card. With the help of this, I will make a circle here like this. This, okay. Now I will cut it properly in a circle shape. Now this is our circle. Okay, so we have to make so many circle. This type of circle of different colors. You can use yellow color, pink color, green color, any color which you are having. Okay, which you are having at your home. I have these wedding cards, so many wedding cards at my home. So I made these things. Then we will fold it in half like this, and then we have to do this. Okay, now it is half. So here I am having these so many circles which I written here words opposite. Okay, here you can see this is always and inside never. Okay, and before, and this is after. So you also have to write this open, and opposite of open is close, and this is most, most, most. Opposite of most is here inside, least. Okay, so these type of skills you have to make. After that, now we have to color in this fish. Okay, first this is the eyes of our fish. After this we will color it, whatever color you like very much you can color. Okay, so many colors are here. So I like this pink color very much, so I will color it with pink color. Now I color my fish. Okay, I use pink color for body and this tail and fins here. These are the fins. I color it with yellow color. Okay, now I am coloring here yellow in my fish face. This is the face of my fish. Okay student, I choose these two colors, yellow and pink, but you can choose any color which you like very much. Color this properly, and now it is completed. And this is eyes. I will fill here blue color in the eyes, and this is mouth. I will color with this red color. Okay, I am using this red color. Now this is my fish. Now if you want to do outside, you can do the outline also of your fish like this with the help of a sketch pen. Now this is the outline of your fish. Now student, after completing the outline of your fish, our next work is to paste the skulls of opposite words on this fish. Okay. Now here is my skulls. To paste the skulls, we will use Fevicol. Okay, we have to paste the Fevicol in the bottom part of our skulls. Here, this is bottom part, and paste here. Put here, what is this? Fevicol, and paste it here. Then take next. This. This is, and this way you have to paste all your skulls on the fish. Okay. Now student, I fill the body of fish with the skull of different opposite words. Here are all these opposite words. Now our fish of opposite word is ready. Here, when you will present it, you will present like this. This is wide. Now open it. Opposite of wide is narrow. Now this is big. Opposite of big is small. Okay. Now next, right. Opposite of right is wrong. And this is quick. Opposite of quick is slow. Okay. So with the help of calendar or chart and old wedding cards, you can make your project of opposite words. Okay. A fish of opposite words. Okay. Thank you, student. Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain you your math holiday homework, math project. In this project you have to make one hut with different shapes. Okay, now I cut some pieces of paper and other things to make the hut. For this, you can see I cut this paper. This is the piece of a shoe box. Okay, I am using the piece of shoe box. So I cut this, and after that I paste this with wedding card, old wedding card. Okay, then I, in the middle of this, I fold it like this. Now you can see this is the shape of your rectangle. Okay, now here you can see this is one more piece of rectangle, and it is also the piece of shoes box, and I paste here one paper. It is a paper of wedding card, and this is also, these are my wedding card. It is little hard, so I cut it in triangle shape. This is triangle. Okay, these two pieces, and here, because I am not having so much time, so I prepared this before. This is the shape of square, all sides are equal, and this is the shape of rectangle, two sides are equal, and this again square. So two square and two rectangle of same size. One I pasted, and with the help of this I will teach you to paste the this piece with this paper squares. Okay, to paste this, to join this piece with this shape, I need a tape. With the help of tape I will join this. You can use this type of tape. I am having this type of tape at my home, and you can use your own tape of any color, of any type. It is not compulsory that your teacher is using green tape, so you have to use the green tape. No, you can use the cello tape also. Okay, first we will join this piece, this rectangle piece, with this square piece here. Okay, hold like this, then cut the tape. Now this way. Okay, and I am taking one more piece of my tape. You have to take the piece of this tape little longer than your shape. Again we will join this side. Now this is the base of your hut. Okay, now this one. These two papers. This paper you can paste here. To paste this paper to make the hut, I am using Fevicol. You have to put here Fevicol properly. We will use, I am using here, what is this? Fevicol, like this. And press it properly. Okay, same we will do with this. Use Fevicol to paste your this part of hut. Okay class. Now paste it here. Now this is triangle and this is your rectangle, this is your square and this is again your rectangle. After this is the piece of box which I pasted with wedding card. We will put here. This way, and this is the roof of your hut. Okay class, now I have to make the door of your hut. Good morning student. Today I am going to explain you your science project. Okay, as you know, you got homework as holiday homework in your science. The topic of your homework is desert vegetation. What is a desert? First this I explain. Okay, a place where we find only sand, that place is known as desert. And you can see here is sand. To make this project I take this box, okay, and I fill sand. Here you can see this is sand. I fill the sand in this box, okay. After that I collect some cactus from my garden, because in desert we find thorny bushes and cactus only, okay. Only cactus, thorny bushes and thorny trees grows in a desert. For example, I collect this. This is a part of a thorny tree, okay. Here you can see thorns are here. It is a part of a lemon tree. Lemon not grows there, but I take this to show you thorny plant tree, okay. These are thorns here all over this plant here. So I will put it here in the sand. It means thorny trees grows in our desert. Second is, this is a thorny, this is also a cactus, okay. You can see the thorns here. It is very pointed, and I will put it here, this. After this I am having one more cactus, this one. This is a cactus, and I will plant it here. Don't hold it with your hand, because so many thorns are here. This, okay. Now one more cactus, type of cactus, this. Thorns are only sides, in these sides, three sides. So I can hold it like this, and I will put it here, okay. And one more thorny plants, this one. It has leaves also, and you can see the thorns. This also found in desert. Now it completed, okay. By this way you can make your science project desert vegetation. Understand, student? Okay, thank you for watching my video.